model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul. And this weekend, and I mentioned it in my teaser video, went to the IPMS show in Vegas, which was the Best of the West show. And a bunch of local guys actually went, but a few friends of mine, Marty, Dan, Doan, and Glenn were going, and they said, hey, we got room in our vehicle. Marty was driving, and I'm like, you know what? Why not? So I went with them. It was a very long day, but had a great time, met a lot of people. Some have come to our shows. This was the first out-of-town show that I've gone to. So, I mean, I had a really good time. And there were like 800 something models, between 750 and 800. I heard some numbers. I don't have anything official. But I took a number of photos, just stuff that I really liked and stuff I saw on the tables. Lots of cars. The car tables were packed. So they're kind of crammed in my photos. And that's just the way it was. And then the military stuff, it was a lot of military and sci-fi there, which is normal for an IPMS show. So lots of that, and had a really good time. The swap meet didn't really have anything for cars, so I really didn't find anything. I was hoping, but didn't find anything, so came home empty-handed when it came to that. But Jameson was there from Scale Finishes, so I came home with a bag of paint. So not a big surprise there. You guys watch my channel and know I love that paint and use a lot of it. So picked up like another 8 or 9 bottles or so, and I'll be using them on my projects. But stick around and enjoy the slideshow, and I hope you like it. This is not everything that was there, it was just what I took pictures of. So stay tuned. Also wanted to squeeze this in this video because it was a last minute confirmation for me. Just cramming this out, of course. And that's how this stuff works. But just wanted you guys to know that I got a promo code for Scale Finishes paint. So use Muscle Car 10 when you check out at Scale Finishes Paint, you get 10% off of your order. Of course, no other discounts apply. So if he's running a promo, you can't combine the two. But I wanted to squeeze this in, and I'm going to put it right in the bottom and in the video description. Muscle Car 10. So if you use Scale Finishes Paint, use the promo code. If you wanted to try it, it's a good time to do it, because as you see, I love the paint and I use it all the time. But thank you, and thank you to our sponsors and everything, and I wanted to share that with you. So now to continue on. All right, I really hope you enjoyed those. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. This is not funny. My producer here. All right, here we go. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I hope you really like that slideshow, and thank you for tuning in and subscribing and all your comments and everything. And remember, hit that bell button and like my videos. And you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next Saturday. Stop it. Don't make me laugh.